everybody. Welcome to 256 Garage. We're going to do our little midweek walk around the shop. Start over here on the big side. Got the doors mounted on the Honda. Got all the hardware changed. Got the seat back. Show you the seat right there. Seat had the airbag replaced. Got the headliner. Walk over here right quick. Got the headliner fixed and repaired. Look how good that looks right there. Well, that'll make a world of difference on the inside of that car. Back over this way. Doors for the Camaro blocked and primed. Transmission on the blue truck. We still got some sort of trouble with the transmission. We got our new converter in from Transmission Specialties. Stall converter. But there's something wrong with the transmission. The converter's not going back all the way. Waiting on the transmission guy again. Anyway, I don't know. Got Junior over here working on the Toyota Tacoma. Hey man, that front end's white.
Don't know.
We got a silver truck. Putting in a used, what do you call that? A 3/4 section? Maybe the right apron and the core support. That's what sounds good to me anyway. How about you? Look like you got it fitted pretty close, getting ready to weld her in. See right here, if you remember in, I believe it was last week's video, the silver one was mashed in pretty good right there. But he's got it looking good. Look like he's got it squared up. Looking good. Have that welded in, sheet metal hung and all that by lunch tomorrow, won't you? Yep. Walk on out here. Alan's been cleaning up on the Mustang some. Got it up under the hood real nice. Been buffing on it. Now it's ready for a final wash. Get it washed and cleaned up. I'm gonna set it out on the side of the road. See if I can't sell it. Like I said, this is a nice, fast car. Anybody wants a Mustang that's fast, this one is it. Got the big Dodge in there doing some work to it. Got the bed off, the back glass out, headliner drop. Doing some work to it. BMW's getting some hail damage repair. You saw at the start of the video, the F100's getting the hood and doors and fenders jammed. There's the man Drake right there. The Nissan is put together. Walk back over here with it. Go on this side. Joe is cleaning up a trade-in. Traded in on another vehicle. I said right here, the Nissan is pretty much finished up, ready to send off the paperwork. Got everything back together on it, if you can hear me. Got it all back together, ready for the inspector. So we'll get the paperwork sent out off on it tomorrow, and hopefully the inspector will be out here for next week. We've got someone needing a little vehicle. This will make them a good one. It's around 50-something thousand miles, I believe it is. Frontier. Got the stuff going together on it. Got the doors and everything painted. Get some hail damage repaired on the hood. Got it coming along. Nothing really to see over here. We're still waiting on the blue truck before we get that in here. And like I said, if you've seen at the start of the video, we've got the doors, the hood, and the fenders getting jammed for this truck. We'll be able to line everything back up, get it lined up. That's about all we got going on here at the 256 Garage. Appreciate everybody checking us out. If you like drag racing, check out the video we posted Sunday of the Night of Fire. Pretty good video. Show some pro mods, jet truck. But thanks everybody. 256 Garage out.